What's up guys, I'm Gen Sato and welcome back to another episode of Hangry. So the dish we're going to be cooking today is fish and papillote. So the reason why I really love fish and papillote is because it's a great way to cook fish indoors without stinking up your apartment. And also you can do it in just a regular toaster oven like this, which keeps the heat level down in your apartment as well, which is perfect because it's the middle of summer right now. So we're going to start making the relish. First thing we're going to do is just finely julienne carrots. Then we're gonna add some cucumbers, some red onion, and we're gonna add some nice jalapeno pepper, which is gonna give us some great spice. Then we're gonna add some of these nice on-the-vine cherry tomatoes. Finely minced garlic. We have all of our vegetables cut up. Next step is to add all the liquids that are gonna make up the dressing to our relish. A little bit of brown sugar, the zest of some lime. And we're gonna add some lime juice. Then fish sauce. This is gonna give our relish some nice umami flavor. Next up, we're gonna add some neutral oil. This is grapeseed oil. So now that we have all of our fresh vegetables all cut up, the dressing's ready to go, we're just gonna stir it up and let the relish sort of marinate by itself. So this is what we're gonna use to form the pouch to steam the fish in. Cut up some lemongrass. We're gonna add some ginger, some thin slices of shallot, green beans on top, just because I want to make more of a meal out of this fish. Salt. So the fish I'm using today is cod, but really you can use any kind of fish that suits your fancy. Fold it over, fold down. And you really want to make sure that these folds are nice and tight. And I'm going to do 400 degrees, and we're just going to put it in. And that's gonna cook for 15 minutes. So, stick that on top. That's really good. Super fresh. The fish is just flaking apart. The acidity and all the flavor from the relish is so good. Fish and papillote.